If your kids don't have ragi, try this. Chop up some methi, coriander, onion, grate some ginger over it, add salt and let it rest for 5 minutes. This will help release all the water in methi and then your batter won't be soggy. Now add in 2 cups of ragi flour, 1 cup of rice flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour. You can change the ratio as per your liking. My kids love ragi, that is why I add more of ragi powder. Add in some red chili powder, some haldi, some sesame seeds. You can also add green chilies if you like. Add water in batches because we don't want a watery batter. We want it to be this consistency. Now, you can shape them the way you want, but I like these weird shaped pakoras, which is why I directly fry them on the oil. We only use oil in pakoras. Apart from this, we do not have any other oily food at home, which is why I once in a while give my kids these fried things. You can also air fry them if you want. You like it?